Madison asks, as an email marketer, I say email is not dead. Do you think email will be more or less relevant in 3 to 5 years?
Madison, great question. 3 to 5 years, it's always hard to predict that way out, but I'll get to that part. And before I actually answer this question, I just want to give a huge shout out to the Vayner Nation for supporting this show. I'm really enjoying it. I was super bummed about Friday night, so I apologize. I think I tweeted that I was gonna have it and let some people down. I hate letting people down. Email is definitely not dead. I would say that email right now, I like marketing in the year that we live in. So I would say right now that email is a very killer app. Now, are open rates at 90% like I had in 1997? Absolutely not. But is it an own channel that you control and don't have to be at the mercy of all these other platforms that you can market to your people? For sure. I think we can't be naive to the fact that Google made changes with Gmail about a year ago, it feels like now, or within the year, where we went to a promotions tab. I see Stunwin shaking his head. Steve, were you affected by the promotions tab? Were you part of any email lists that you noticed went there?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Now here's the punchline question. Show me. Punchline question. Here's the punchline question. Do you feel that some of those that got switched to the promotion tabs, you've actually fallen off because they don't go to your native in-feed and you either unsubscribed or you just don't pay attention to anymore?
Totally gone. Yep, probably 5 or 6 email lists.
That's my concern. So what's happening is, do I think email will matter 3 to 5 years? For sure. I think it's in play, it's a channel, it's not going anywhere. Do I think it's dead? Absolutely not. Do I think it'll be more or less valuable as a marketing engine? I will go with less valuable in 3 to 5 years. It will still be very valuable because it's one of the best channels, but it will be less valuable. That whole marketers ruin everything line that I use a lot, that's what this is all about. Platforms come along, they have value, and then we market against them, and then consumers kind of push off. It's cops and robbers, it's cat and mouse, over and over and over again, and we're living in a process now that we're into the second decade of email being ruined by marketers. Oh crap, wait, subscribe! I need subscriptions because I can't push this many right hooks in social, so subscribe!